This 5-minute solution will show you how to add Discord audio to OBS. You can easily record or add your Discord audio using your OBS. First of all, launch your OBS, and here I capturing my display as well. Now, to record or capture Discord audio, click on this plus icon for sources. Select application audio capture. Okay. Click on this window drop down and here select Discord. Click on OK. So currently I'm using Discord in Chrome browser, so I'm selecting here Chrome Discord, and if you're using directly the Discord app, then here you will get the Discord app. So you can select the Discord app and click on OK. And then from here you can adjust your Discord volume, and that's how we can add Discord audio to OBS. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.